Hey everyone, it's Matthew here for this video, and I have a great feeling about puzzles. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys something very expensive. This is going to be a world's biggest book ever. I will be doing a puzzle video for guys. It's called Jigsaw Dinosaurs, and basically, this is what it looks like. So on this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make puzzles. There are 6 inside, and we're gonna be doing them in the visual, in one video. So I'm gonna be able to see what you guys think about this book because it has all amazing about dinosaurs. It really knows what this is about. This features 24-piece jigsaw scenes and discovers some dinosaurs. So I will be giving you guys the first puzzle for the dinosaur, and we're gonna have to build it together. So let's get started. Alrighty, the first puzzle we're gonna be building is the Allosaurus. And as you can see, this is what the color looks like. It's like orange. So let's put the puzzle in. First piece here, let's put it together. And I have to make sure this is the correction of what the puzzle is. So I have to make sure I have the dialogue here. And then we gotta put this piece. I think this is this section of the tree. So yeah. Put the tree together. Then we gotta put this piece in. And then we got this back. I think this goes here. And then I'm doing the ends to make sure I have the correct puzzle. Then we got this one here. I think this goes here. Yep. Then we got the other piece that goes here. So snap that in. Then we got his feet. We'll put in here. And then we got, these are the other pieces we're going to do when we get to the end. We got to do this one here. It's just a quick, simple idea. Then we put this one in. Here. I think that's the next piece. Okay, let's do this one. I think that's going here, I think. Okay, this one, I think oh yeah. So this one has a little bird. I think the puzzle connects here. And yeah, there you go. There's the piece. And then I got this one here. Then we gotta put his hedge here. Oh no. Yeah. And then I gotta put the I think this is the stick, the tree that goes with the piece. I think it goes. Hold on. Let's put his here. Here we go. Then I put it here. That's where it's going. Then I'm gonna put this one here. Okay, this one goes here. Here's another one. Okay. And there you go. There's your first puzzle, the Allosaurus. The next one is going to be the Stegosaurus. As you can see, and the background, the color is blue. So let's put this one as well. As you can see, it's a little bit different from the green, so I have to be very careful of finding where it's going to go. I think this goes here, I think. Hold on. Here, I'll find this hit object. Here. Here we go. I think this goes there. That's the end piece. We're doing, again, all the end pieces. Or coming up, when we finish this up. Putting it together, I think. Piece here. Alright, this is the end. I think this goes here. This goes here. I think this goes here. Okay. I think this is the, I think this goes here. Yep. Let's see, this one, I think it goes here. Yep. And there you go. There's the Stegosaurus. The next dinosaur puzzle we're going to be putting together is the Diplodocus. By the way, Diplodocus puzzle, as you can know, we're halfway through this. Actually, this book is a little funny bent. Don't mind about this. It's kind of a little funny when you turn the page, but that's what the book should do. And the color on this one is brightest yellow. So let's put this puzzle in here together. And these are all by the animals. Wait, that's wrong. Hold on. Okay, this is wrong. Let's fix that. Yeah. Well, this is the other part of the piece. Okay. So that's that goes here. Sorry. Yeah. Six big. So goes here. This one goes, I think, here. Yep, there we go. That's the Diplodocus puzzle. As you can see, it's looking fantastic. Alright, so we're halfway through this Jigsaw dinosaur book. The fourth puzzle we're putting together is the Tyrannosaurus Rex. And look at this color, it's like a lime green. So let's put it together as well and see how this one looks like. It's really cool, isn't it? As you can see. It's just like a jigsaw. There you go, guys. There's your Tyrannosaurus Rex. Looks really cool. This next one is going to be the Triceratops. And as you can see, this color in this beautiful design is like a purplish color. So let's do this one. There you go. Oh wait, this is a boo-boo. This one is wrong. I gotta try to make sure I get the correct dinosaur. Okay, so this one goes here. I think this one, hold on. Okay, so this is a problem. This goes here. Yeah, that's correct. Got confused. Yeah, because the mountains are different, I think. There you go, we'll step down. Okay. Mm-hmm. There you go. That was weird. This is the Triceratops. Alright, and here's our final puzzle of this Jigsaw dinosaur to build. And it is the Oviraptor. And as you can see, it's in like a yellow color. Pretty bit similar, but a different kind of yellow, so for building it. So let's get this one and then we're all finished. This is, there we go. This is right here. Yeah. And then the bird. There you go. Boom, did it. There you go. This is the Oviraptor. It's really cool. And I love the design on this one. It's really nice. Alright, people, this is the end of the jigsaw puzzle. And basically, as you've seen by the end of this puzzle, it says shows us periods. For any other years ago, you can see this is what it looks like. You got the Jurassic period, the Jurassic period, the Cretaceous period, and then the end of the dinosaurs. So, what do you guys think? I love these puzzles. One of my favorites so far was making designs of just doing puzzle creativity. And Sharp just designed these books. It's really cool, and it's really designed something like this before, in my opinion. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video today of doing a jigsaw puzzle dinosaur video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you guys love this puzzle video. This is Matthew here, signing off, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!